Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how can you generate a whole new article using ChatGPT only. I'm going to pick a topic, let's say here is a document, Google Doc. I'm going to generate an article on environmental issues and its type, what are the causes and effects, what are the possible solutions to overcome these environmental issues, and the cost involved to produce these solutions, and available documentaries about environmental issue online. And final thought, these are the main headings that I'm going to create the article on using ChatGPT. So first of all, come here and type OpenAI. Just click on ChatGPT. If you have not created an account on this, then you should create an account first of all. After that, I'm going to open the ChatGPT. After I complete this whole article, I'm going to check check for the plagiarism using this online tool, Dupli Checker, and then I'm going to publish the article on medium.com. So let's get started. So this is our ChatGPT, and this is, I'm going to create an article on this. Let's ask ChatGPT, what is environmental issue? Okay. It is giving us the definition of what is environmental issue. Okay, it is giving the whole bunch of lines. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here because this is our main heading. Then come to the tabs. Let's ask ChatGPT, what are the types of environmental issues? Okay, let's ask question mark. Make sure give me plagiarism free content. Okay. Okay, it's giving me points now. Number 1 is climate change, number 2 is air pollution, number 3 is water pollution, 4 is land pollution, then biodiversity loss, and 6, okay, our consumption of natural resources. They are not often interrelated and complex. Okay, very nice. I'm going to copy this whole content and I'm going to paste it here. Then we know the types, and I want to discuss the causes. Let's come here and type the same line, but instead of typing, I'm just copy and paste. What are the causes of environmental issues? I think it's already explained in the types, I guess. So anyway, let's get this one. Okay, there are many different human. Okay, so it involves human activities, natural disaster, climate change, and I mean, I like it how it explaining each point. It makes the content creator or blog writer or article writer job very easy. But we have to check this whole content for plagiarism as well. We'll do it after we complete this article. So after that, what was that? It was the causes and types and effects. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT, what are the effects of environmental issues? Okay, so meanwhile it is generating the content. Next is solution. Okay, so environmental issues can have a wide range of negative effect on both the environment and human health: damage to ecosystems, loss of biodiversity, health impacts, economic impacts, social impacts. Okay, ignoring the issue can lead to long-term and so far-reaching consequences for both the natural world and human society. Perfect. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it underneath effect. Let's discuss the solutions. Again, I'm going to copy this line. I'm going to come here and paste it. I'm going to replace effects with solutions. Let's hit enter. So there are many different solutions to environmental issues. Number one, reducing the use of natural resources, reducing pollution, protecting and restoring ecosystem, promoting sustainable practices, increasing awareness and education. Yeah, that's the, I think, most important one. I'm going to copy this. I don't want to copy the, come on. There we go. Okay, now the cost involved in estimate cost. Let me just copy this and ask ChatGPT a new question. What are the estimate costs to reduce environmental issues? Okay, it is difficult to estimate the cost of reducing environmental issues, as the cost will depend on a variety of factors. For example, transitioning to a clean energy system. Okay, it is important to consider the long-term benefit. Very nice. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste underneath this. Let me ask ChatGPT about the documentaries on environmental issues. What are the popular documentaries on environmental issues? Give names. There are many popular documentaries about environmental issues that have been produced over the years. Here, for example. Wow, nice. I mean, it's giving me the name and even the short description of that documentary as well. I believe if I ask ChatGPT to give me at least 10, then it will give me 10, I guess. On environmental issue, give name of 10 popular documentaries. Let's see. Sure, here are 10 popular documentaries about environmental issues. Oh my god, it did give me 10 documentaries, the popular one, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to, yeah, this one is better. It has some, like, description as well about the documentary. So I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste this one. Let's talk about the final thoughts. What are the final thoughts? What are the final thoughts on environmental issues? What are the final thoughts on what are the final thoughts? Let's see. What, I don't know, I'm not sure what this, they are the key points to consider when it comes to environmental issues. Okay, I'm perfect. We got these four points actually. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to paste here. So now we have created the whole article, and I'm going to select all and just do this. It will reformat the document. Now I will going to check this document for plagiarism. After I get the results, then I'm going to publish it on the Medium. Let's check this whole document. Maybe I'm going to create another video for that, checking the plagiarism, and then okay, let's do it in this video. Let me just copy this, the first one, and this is the tool. It's called duplicchecker.com, and here I'm going to paste my text, and then I'm not a robot, check for plagiarism. So it will definitely take some time to check for the plagiarism. Let's see, I'm not going to check for the whole document because I don't want to make this video too long. Indeed, it will be boring, but as you can see the point here, you can generate the whole article using ChatGPT, and then you can check for the plagiarism as well. After you make sure it is not it has 0% or maybe 10% of plagiarism content, then you can publish this content on Medium or any other article website. I'm going to write here and create here, and I'm going to type all this content into the Medium. So I'm not going to show that in this video, but I'm going to attach a link of this article in the comment section below. You can check afterwards. So yeah, what a great tool, ChatGPT. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. But before I go, I want to show you the plagiarism. As you can see that this report, here is a report. There are 324 words, and all the contents are unique, which is a great thing. But this is a free tool, and I believe that obviously the premium tools have more accuracy, I guess. So yeah, it is also a good tool. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. Take care.